Hi traders, and welcome to today's ACY Securities Forex Market Analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today we'll be focused on the US dollar to the Japanese yen. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the week, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Now traders, just take you through the news items that could affect the dollar yen, the pair I'm reviewing today through the course of the week. So getting into Wednesday, I'm just going to go through the red items. Midnight, moving into Wednesday on the US, we have the Fed Chair Powell speaking. And then moving into Thursday evening, the big one for the week is the US CPI data release, month on month, year on year, core CPI month on month. And then getting into Saturday, 1 o'clock in the morning for the US, we've got the prelim UOM consumer sentiment. So two items there to really watch is Fed Chair Powell speaking tonight, moving into Wednesday, and the CPI data on Thursday evening. Time is shown on Queensland time. Alright, with all those things in mind, let's get into the charts. Alright, so I'm on the weekly chart here of the dollar yen. Just want to take you through the weekly and the day charts. Now for the last 3 weeks, we've been testing, false breaking, 130.40 weekly support. Long term, are we forming here a double bottom, or at least a level of support that will see us move back up the range? So we did have a reversal last week, finished positive. Actually had an outside reversal. We went down, came up, took out the high of the previous week, and finished positive for the week. Now MACD is still down, it's too slow to confirm a change. So at the moment we are holding on support 130.40, and we have a resistance above at 133.62. Can we move up? So what I'm looking for is support to hold. Can we move above weekly resistance here in the short term? And this is my what I'll call short-term target, 139.38. If we can break above that level, then of course I'll be looking for a move up to last year's high. Now of course at the moment we have to move out of this kind of consolidation area, but at the moment for 3 weeks we are holding on support. We do have the Fed Chair Powell speaking, we do have the CPI data coming out. That is going to clearly define the direction probably long term this week for the US dollar, but at the moment for 3 weeks we are holding at 130.40. So are we going to be starting to move back up the range? So let's drop down to the day chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, onto the day chart. I put up here daily resistance at 134.49. Day support's over here. I haven't put it in because it's very close to weekly support. It's 130.56. Now what happened last week was we false broke weekly supports. Price came up to put in a higher top. Can we now put in a higher bottom to form a new uptrend here on the day chart to start to confirm that reversal? MACD's crossed up down here, so if I draw a fib in, what you'll see is yesterday we pulled back to the 62% level. That's at 131.51. So today, if we do break above yesterday's high, so the high of this spinning top candle here, that will start to confirm the first higher bottom, and then can we move above weekly resistance and day resistance here to a further high? Alright, so breaking above yesterday's high is going to start to confirm an uptrend. Is that going to continue on through the week as the news items come out? So as price comes up to test weekly and daily resistance here, if you're taking this trade, then of course manage your trade, get the risk out, and then can price continue up to a further high? If it can, then my short-term target is 139.38 weekly resistance here, and if we can move above that level, which is this weekly high over here, then a longer-term target for this potential double bottom at the moment would be a retest of last year's high at 151.94. Now if this is a true double bottom, we obviously could be moving above that level, but that's a long way away and I don't want to forecast an outrageous target. In the short term, if we can break above these resistance levels, Short-term target would be weekly resistance here at 139.38, and if price can break through there, then looking to target last year's high. Now if the CPI data comes out this week and it's upticked, then of course that's going to help the dollar yen move back up the range. Alright traders, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week. I look forward to seeing you next time.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week: 10th of January, Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 11th of January, Position Trading using the monthly and weekly trading ranges, combining Fibonacci, higher time frame support and resistance levels to determine key trading levels for position trading over a 1 to 4 week time period or longer. 12th of January, Live Forex Market Review, identifying high probability trading levels. Follow the link below, register for free.